Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a parcel that I have received from HarleyPig127. Now we have decided to collaborate on a couple of videos. I made her this Delta. She made me a beautiful digital drawing and sent it to me as a poster. And here it is, and I'm gonna open it for you. And you're gonna get my genuine reaction to this. So let's open it up. Alright, now let's open this up. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This is beautiful. This is something really special right here. Look at this. Now, as you can tell, these two are the raptors from Jurassic Park 3. And I asked her if she could draw these in her own style. I am gonna frame this and stick it. I'm gonna stick this on Marco Makes headquarters wall here in the office. If you could call it an office. So just look at that background. This is very Isla Sorna-ish. Oh my gosh, just look at the depth in this, and the detail. I love this style. Let's set that aside for now, and we'll admire it later. But I think she put something else in here. Yeah. She did a lovely hand-drawn note, which says, "Thank you, it was an honor to work with you," and it's signed. Wow. If you don't know, these are her two characters from her own comic. It's an original comic designed and invented by Harley Pig herself. That is Oswin, I believe, and that is Quill. The name of her comic, I think, is Steadfast. Now, she has posted a few pages of her comic on her website, and it is something truly special, and I suggest you go and visit it. I will leave links in the description as always, links to her Instagram, which is where she regularly posts. There is another note here. Oh, look at that. Thank you for making my wonderful Delta, she says. Now, if you want to see her unbox her the figure that I made for her, you should subscribe to her channel. Again, there will be links in the description. And you see that is her Instagram handle right there, at HarleyPig127. I think there's something else here too. Hand-drawn stickers. That's really sweet of her. Oh wow. that's my Instagram profile picture, which is based on my blue raptor head puppet. That's hand-drawn. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's really fine details. The tip of this pen is tiny. This is lovely. Another raptor here. It kind of has the colors of the raptor from Jurassic Park, but it has the head design of one of the Jurassic World raptors, so I believe this might be Echo. I'm not entirely sure, but this is beautiful. And then you got Oswin and Quill from her comics. These are hand-drawn too. Oh jeez, these are gorgeous. Wow. Thank you so much, HarleyPig127. You can tell straight away that she's like the confident, sassy girl, and he's like the shy, friendly, no, I wouldn't say goofy, but you can definitely tell just by a quick sketch like this, their characters. And that's what's truly special about Harley Pig's work. It's not just her art style, but the amount of life that she puts into her drawings is, again, something really special. Look how much character that has. I love the angry eyes. Let's take a closer look at the big poster itself. Taking a closer look, we can instantly tell that that is the female raptor from Jurassic Park 3. That is the male raptor, again from Jurassic Park 3, with those quills up there, and its beautiful stripe. So I want to point out this kind of bush right in the foreground, and how blurred it is. It's a small detail, but it adds so much. It just gives so much depth to the drawing. I really like these god rays in the background. This light coming through the foliage of the trees. It is it is really dynamic, and it just looks like a snapshot in movement. It honestly looks like it looks so good. It honestly looks like a piece of concept art for the actual film. Now I know that she uses her iPad Pro to draw her art, and she uses the same app that I use for my drawing, which is Procreate. So a massive thank you to HarleyPig for this beautiful artwork, and thanks so much for the opportunity to do this art trade with you. Seriously, you have so much talent, and you're so young right now, and you have all the potential to become super successful. I mean, right now you have like over 25,000 followers just on Instagram alone. Guys, you should really support her work. She's ticking all the right boxes. She's a she's a really talented person. She loves what she does. She puts lots and lots of work and effort into what she does, and she's a lovely person too. So I really wish you all the best, because you deserve it. I'm definitely gonna support you and buy some artwork from you to stick around the Marco Makes headquarters, aka the dining room. I am gonna put this as my Instagram profile picture.
Hey, you can also buy my figures and my paintings, as well as some sick merch on Etsy. Yes, I have an Etsy shop, and the link is in the description. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.